Are you looking to come to the desert and just relax, hang out by the pool, having a glass of wine, and look at the views, and your budget is $2.5 million? Well, guess what? This is not it! So this home is in Thermal Raceway. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it's over 5,000 square feet. So follow me and let's go check it out. This garage. Look at how big this garage is. I mean, let's walk in and check it out. You can fit our 2 large RVs, and not only that, there's a bedroom. So this house is pretty unique. You have 1 bedroom upstairs and 1 bedroom downstairs with a bathroom, and upstairs there's 2 bathrooms, of course. In the garage, so tons of room for your car, guys. All right, now let's go upstairs. Oh, I'm good right now. Just doing a little video of your property.
Do it.
Great. So, okay, let's go check out the master. First, we'll get out there and say.
Great things.
Alright, so this is the powder room, the 3rd bathroom, and this is the master. So, interesting thing about these homes, where initially you could not stay here overnight. So now you can actually stay up to 30 days as your owner. So initially none of these homes were built with closet. So what they did, they put in closets. So now you can stay overnight.
But this is
Now let's go check out the outside. Check out the most amazing thing. If you're a car guy, you're going to appreciate this because your home is right on the racetrack. And nowhere else in the world that I know you have a home on the racetrack. Well, besides Apple Man, if you're a motorcycle fan, you know that. So come check this out. You are literally on the racetrack. How awesome is that? There's definitely going to be noises during the day, and if you don't enjoy car racing, this is not the house for you. But if you do, this is a dream home for you because you cannot be any closer. This is like the VIP spot on any racetrack all day long. To learn more, connect with me on social media, call me direct, or visit me online at desertcitieshome.com.